Hi guys, so we're here at Ayala Central Block.
Central Block.
And just a short, background. We have a friend who owns a store here, like parang gotcha
Gotcha shop.
store. And then we, if you don't know, we like One Piece, and we found out na si Pop Mart naglabas siya ng maraming di ba, pang Luffy na ano. Pero ito yung gusto namin yung ship. So nagpa-reserve kami ng 1 box. Funny thing is, we didn't know that it cost a lot. We thought like siguro mga nasa 3, 4K yung isang box. 12 yung laman. But it's actually 1,000 each. So 12 is 12,000. Good thing, mabait yung friend namin. It's a close friend of ours. So she allowed us to like reserve the whole box because that's what we requested, but we will just get like 2 each per payday para naman may ano kami. Hindi masakit, tsaka may look forward kami. So we chose 1 box each. I don't know which box kasi na namin. Nalito kami. But of course, ito yung mga niya guys. Sorry if it's not that clear, pero you can see it anyways in social media platforms. So of course, yung gusto namin dito is syempre, yung Going Merry and si Sunny Go. So, he's gonna unbox first.
Ito na.
Sige.
Boys first daw.
Wala na ngayon, 2025 na. So, there's like no boys first, girls first. And,
So this is my first Pop Mart na merchandise. So parang ano na talaga to. Pinagplanuhan na talaga na. Ito yung pinakaunang Pop Mart na kukunin namin.
hello, sino kaya yun guys?
Nasira na siya, but I don't care.
Wala na. Sabi pa daw niya, ano yung box. Wala na, nasira na.
I called for it and
Sino yan?
I got it.
Sino? Ano pala?
Ay, dili Big Mom pala.
Big Mom. Wrong siya guys.
Kala ka Sanigo. Big Mom.
It's still good. It's still good. Just,
Big Mom. Kala ko Sanigo. It looks like Sanigo. But
ayan. So,
Big Mom.
let's check ours. Oh, naman.
Oh, ang ganda niya. Ganda ng quality.
Nasira talaga yung box, guys. It's not like something we can keep. Anyways, we're just gonna keep the... Wala. Nasira yung sa akin. Hindi ako alam. Ano to? I need some help. Epic fail. Sorry, guys. It's our first time to have like this mga blind boxes sa Pop Mart. And stay tuned for my December Pop Mart something because I asked him kung pwede ka akong bumili for my Christmas gift. Pera ko pa rin, pero I asked him if I can buy it kasi hindi naman siya need, but it's cute and I want something na ano sa bag ko. Hindi siya labubo, guys. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Ay.
Ano to? Sige. Ay.
Hindi yung ano naman, but it's okay. It's still good. I
Ah.
got... Sino yan?
Red Force.
Uy,
Red Force!
ano to?
Alam niyo na kung kanino to.
Sa papa to niya, no?
No.
Sorry, guys.
Sino yung may scar?
Siya? Ay,
Shanks!
wait. Sorry, guys. Don't
Ano?
bash me kung hindi ko memorize yung mga... I'm still like catching up with One Piece, okay? I'm still like episode 300 something. So, huwag niyo akong i-bash, okay? I have very bad memory.
Shanks at saka Big Mom.
Yay! Yung
Yonko. Puro Yonko yung nakuha namin.
Wow! That's
Former
it.
Yonko at saka current Yonko.
So there, it has like this silica gel. So ang plano namin, guys, is once we collect everything and once we renovate our room, we're gonna have like certain shelves. Kasi gusto namin yung theme ng room namin. Syempre, yun na One Piece. So, ayun. Yay!
Yay.
Next, stay tuned for the next, matagal pa guys, next sahod. Next sahod na.
Yes, of course.
Yay! So we have it na. So we're gonna eat na, guys. Thank you for watching our unboxing. Bye-bye!